What's going on, guys? AR Car Reviews here again with another video, and if it's your first time tuning into the channel, welcome. My name is Akeem, aka AR Car Reviews, and my friends over at LINGDU have sent me a dash cam, the D500, for our review for this channel. So if you guys want a dash cam, if you're in the market for a dash cam, be sure to hit them up. I'll provide links in the bio so you guys can see if you guys like this dash cam or not. If you like it, then you should definitely get yourself one. This is a fire, affordable, really good looking dash cam. So we're gonna set it up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and yeah, let me know if you're rocking with your boy. So first off, the packaging in this box is really good. If you guys want to buy this product for yourself, I just want to emphasize it's going to be available on Amazon.com. You guys know that site, don't you? So let's open it up. I am in a car right now and I do not have tools, so I will be using this. No, actually, I think I do. I'm lying. It's too far. We have the box open. Our first representation, it looks really good. Everything about this box looks really fine. Let's open it up and see the product. Okay. It looks really nice. We have a small little dash cam. Again, this is called the D500. So if you guys mess with this or you like it, yeah, you just check it out. Just check it out. It has amazing reviews on Amazon. I think I'm going to enjoy it as well. So let's see what it's like. So what comes in the box? We're going to have the dash cam. Of course, on the dash cam, we're going to have this side right here, which is the side you're going to be mounting onto the glass. They do give you a couple extras of this just in case you need it. You do have the camera lens itself right here. Again, shoots in 4K, 2.7, and regular HD. If we turn it to the left right here, we're going to find the Wi-Fi button. If we turn it to the back, we're going to have the screen. This is going to be facing the driver as they're driving with very minimalistic information, but it's really all you need from a dash cam. You don't need much else. Turning it to the right side now, we're going to see the USB on the top and, of course, the Type-C. Oh no, we're going to see the USB Type-C on the top and the micro SD card that you're going to insert on the bottom. So very simplistic, very easy. It does have a turning functionality. So say you want to, I don't know, maybe mount this on the back of your car instead of the front. You can then have a rear view dash camera where you can put the camera up or down. It does have a limit to how much it can turn, but it has a pretty good radius. So you can exactly point where you want it for a lot of these cars, because there's a lot of cars that have a wide range of like front windshield. Some have big, some have small, but this is going to give you a good range to work with. So a very good universal concept right there that can actually help a lot of the users. We're also going to have the charging cable. Again, I said this charging cable is Type-C, so if you want to put your phone on it just to charge it up, you can also do that as well. Very useful. You're going to have a couple clips that are supposed to help you with your cable management, and of course a clip just in case you want to pry off some of your interior to put in the charging cable. So it looks really good and not nasty. This dash cam does shoot in HD. Specifically, it shoots in 4K HD 2.7K resolution. So any type of resolution you want, this dash cam can do it for you. Okay, it's very good. Now note that in 4K it's only going to shoot in 25 frames per second. In 2.7 it's going to shoot at 30, and in HD, regular HD, is going to shoot in 30 as well. But I would always recommend keeping this in its 4K highest mode resolution. Yeah, it has a whole button for Wi-Fi. That's so cool, man. Yo, that's fire. They have a button enabled for Wi-Fi. A lot of the times when I'm using my other dash cams, they do not have a button enabled for Wi-Fi. So it's like you got to go to settings, scroll down, do all that type of stuff. More dash cams need to integrate that. It's really easy, really smart. The cable does have a lot of length on it, so you have more than enough room to play around with it and see how it fits in. Plugs in just fine, closes just fine. You're good, you're good. This man was about to rip the whole front bumper off. I was about to have to go to Los Santos Customs. So just like that, setup is basically finished. Like you have everything right here. You put this right here. All right, I think we've just about went over everything. So I think there's nothing else to it but just to do it. So let's get to it. Okay, so we do have the dash cam plugged in now. As you guys can see, it is currently off. So what we're going to do is we're going to start up the car so it can get some power.
Please insert TF card.
Okay, so it's on right now. So then we're going to hit the Wi-Fi button on the side.
Wi-Fi is on.
Hey,
Wi-Fi is off.
wait, no.
Wi-Fi is on.
All right, so now that we got the Wi-Fi on, okay, now that we have the Wi-Fi on, I'm going to find it in the App Store right here. It's going to be D500, and it needs a password. Typically, the passwords for dash cams are typically like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but you never know, so let's go look it up. I was very much correct. So the password is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8. We're going to join the network.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Hey, there we go. So we got a nice little message letting you know that you have been connected. So it says right here in the application, we can see D500, and now we can check real-time video. But it actually looks very clean, very crisp, and it's shooting in low light, and it's doing a pretty good job. Like, look at this. Like, it looks really, really good. It's actually capturing really, really well. Compared to the GoPro, you can see the GoPro is definitely doing a lot of like over editing, you know, exposing. It's about sunset now, but it looks really, really good. I guess what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a card for this, so then we can come out, see with some footage, and actually set this thing up. Clear like crystal. Boom. Put some extra force on it. And now look at that, y'all. Y'all see that? Yo, that is a beautiful, beautiful view.
Emergency video.
At the end of the day, I'm really happy with this installation. It didn't take long at all. I just lost my phone. It didn't take long at all. It was a really good process, and I absolutely love the quality of this dash cam. So I want you guys to see it, but in a little better quality too. So I'm going to get a micro SD card first, because I don't want to format any of the ones I was using to record earlier today. And I'll record some footage and I'll
Insert TF card.
play it back for you guys. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Thank you again, LINGDU, for providing me with this dash cam to test. I will be putting all of the links in the description below. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a cute little doggy over there. But yeah, as always, thank you guys for watching. Keep smiling, and AR out.